always somehow see pictures of the two of you at the airport.
Right.
You're going
Yes.
somewhere or you're coming back from some sort of impossibly glamorous location.
I keep telling her she's got to stop publicizing something. It's not, once a year, we hardly take
Listen, so my impression of you guys is that this is what you do.
Yes.
It's the full-blown movie star life. Even at home, you both
Professional holiday. Yeah,
look...
no, go on.
No,
yeah.
no. You just look stunning. I mean, no matter what your jet lag situation and how long the flight was, both of you just look amazing. And
But
so I picture you at home, sort of sipping wine in these beautiful clothes, listening to jazz. Is this
Well, you're
close
not
to
wrong.
the truth?
You know, they're not beautiful clothes. It's probably a kurta pajama. But there is good wine and there's good jazz. There's a balcony that's very small. Sometimes you have 6 friends, 7 friends over, and they all fit on that tiny balcony. And I always remember, if we move to a bigger place, that I hope we don't lose the intimacy of this flat, because the people who like each other always manage to fit on that balcony in the most incredible nooks and crannies. You know, it's not, there's so many glamorous homes. But I'm digressing. Somebody came home unannounced the other day, or actually we'd call somebody home to play court piece, which is a baby form of bridge. And we forgot that they were coming. We thought we'd cancel. So we were under the, we were on the ottoman under the Jaipuri Razai watching this Poirot thing, and they came over. And so Kareena was like, oh no, I'm really upset because, I'm not dressed up. I'm in my pajamas and a t-shirt. So I said, did you think that people think you're normally
Well, listen.
resplendent? So we had a laugh there. I mean, this is because
Tell me
we're
the
quite
truth.
normal.
Does she ever have an ugly day?
I don't think it's ever an ugly day, no. But it's a natural day, without makeup, and she looks great without makeup, I think.
So there is no ugly day. Thank you.
No.
You just
but
made the rest of us feel
I'm
so
sure
bad.
you don't have an ugly day.
I do,
No,
I
I'm
do.
sure you don't. I don't think so.
So it's not a full-blown movie star life 24/7.
Well, no, not for us. I think that's why we like each other, because it's not. I mean, part of it is. I mean, especially today, this cameras everywhere and somebody commenting on what you're wearing or what you're doing. But we try and keep it as normal as possible. It's really important. I think I benefited greatly from having parents who, growing up, I didn't hear films being discussed so much. Not that that's a bad thing, but since it's a fleeting thing, it's not going to last forever, it's important to build your foundations on things that will last, like friendships that are not based on, Fridays, on equations that you've lucky enough to know people from school, you've grown up in a different world. So I like to nurture that. And I'm glad Kareena and I both give a lot of importance to, living kind of normal lives and experiencing that as well. Yes, we do go on holiday because it's nice to get away from it all sometimes.
But you're not professional holiday.
I know, but it's so difficult in the press. Like earlier, now it's fine, I think. But you do a whole interview on the film you're working on, and then someone would say, and the whole headline would be, they go on this holiday, and that would get all the attention. And obviously, people reading the paper get fed up of you because they think that that's all there is to you, which is why some very smart people don't discuss their relationships. And I completely agree. Subscribe to The Film Companion and get your film fix.